So I was looking at the comparison of the Fram filter and the Mazda factory filter. I like the Mazda filters a little larger, but the main thing is the way it's sealed. You get it sealed from the factory. It's sealed here, and then also the box is sealed, whereas this one came kind of crunched up, was not sealed, and the filter's not sealed. And then upon closer inspection, I found some medical particles remaining from evidently from the threading process here. And I didn't find any particles like that on the Mazda filter. It's clean. This one's dirty already. And so it's not worth it to me to try and save $10 only to trash a new engine with metal in your filter. So I'm taking a look at the Fram oil filter here. Around the outside here, this is where the oil enters, and that's that rubber flapper that's like a check valve. And so the oil comes through, the unfiltered oil enters these holes, and then as it passes through the filter media, it comes out this threaded hole here. And so what I'm concerned about here is all the metal that I see from the threading process that's left over, and this is disturbing to me. I can see little fragments of metal all in this thread, and I do not want this to get into my motor. So using this filter could actually damage the motor by introducing these little particles of metal that are left over from the process of forming these threads. So I will definitely not be using this filter. You can see how they're flaked off. Metal's flaked, and all along the initial part of it, there's pieces of metal that are just stuck to it. And that is not something you'd want to introduce into your engine. I don't know what this black stuff is here. It looks like it's some sort of lubricant from the threading process. But right in here is where the threads begin, and right in here is where I find a lot of metal. So this filter's going in the trash. It's definitely not going in my engine. And I've seen this before on these filters. You definitely want to be careful and inspect your filter. The metal is real jagged, and there are bits of it left.
We saw your brother the other day.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
So I'm looking at the Mazda filter now. I'm going to remove this plastic coating or cover here. I think I might be able to get that back on there. So first I'm going to just look at the threads very carefully. The threads seem sharper. I do see some oil there. I guess that's from the process of threading. And what's that there? That might be a piece of metal. Hope not. It definitely looks cleaner. I'm going to check it with a cotton swab and see if there's anything I find off of it. So definitely the threads start much cleaner on this factory. Right here's where they start. And it looks like it's maybe a different kind of process of forming the threads. You don't see the same rolled over metal. And all I'm really picking up is the lubricant from the cutting. I haven't found any metal, which is a good thing.